Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about WordPad and its feature. WordPad is a text editor which is a program used to create documents in the computer. WordPad is a basic word processor which is included in all versions of Microsoft Windows. It is a program in which processing, formatting and editing can be done. How to start WordPad? Let's see what are the steps to starting the WordPad. First of all, click on Start button. Start menu appears. Then click on All Programs. A sub menu appears. Then click on Accessories and at last click on WordPad. When WordPad will open, a window appears like this. Now you can see a black color cursor is blinking here. As you can see here, this is the cursor or insertion point. It means now it is ready to take the text from the user. Now if we want to type anything, we can type. As I can show you. This we have typed. For example, I typed I love computer. So it is as simple as that open WordPad and then you can see the cursor insertion point blinking on the screen and then start typing. Now, so by using WordPad, we can type letters, stories, reports, etc. We can make changes in the text while typing and also after typing. We can add pictures in the document. We can keep the document error-free by using spelling and grammar feature. We can copy and move the text, save the text for future use, and print a part or whole of the document. Now next feature is Word Wrap. Word Wrap is a feature in which the cursor proceeds automatically from one line to the next line when we reach the end of the line. Let us see it practically. In View tab, we can see this wrap, Word Wrap. If we click on No Wrap, then our document, our text will be on the full screen. Now again, View tab, Word Wrap, Wrap to Ruler. If we take this Wrap to Ruler, then our text will appear as of the ruler. So you can see, for example, I have written this I love computer. First when there was no wrapping, then it was coming in one line and now it is shifted in second line because our ruler is up to here. So this is the feature called Word Wrap. Keyboard shortcuts to move to different parts of the document. For beginning of the line, we press Home key. Like you can see here, Home key is present here. If we press Home key, a cursor will go to the beginning of the line. And now to the end of the line, we will press End key. This is the End key. If we press End key, it will come to the end of the line. Now to the top of the document, we have to press this Control and Home key together. You can see like this. If I press Control and Home key together, now the cursor comes on the top of the document. And now to the end of the document, we have to press Ctrl and End key together. You can see Ctrl and now the cursor comes to the end of the document. So this is all about the WordPad and WordWrap feature. Rest we will do next week. Thank you.